Currently, the Diabetes Center is establishing the first of its state-of-the-art medical facilities in Capital Territory at Pulgranstrop, near Tool Plaza, Islamabad, Murree Expressway. Construction of the hospital facility and headquarter meeting international standards that will offer specialized services for diabetics, as well as basic health services, is nearing completion and aims to achieve operational status by the end of this year. The center is granted license in November 2011 to establish, support, run, manage and maintain hospitals, clinics, operation theatres, diagnostic centres and indoor and outdoor treatment facilities all over Pakistan. The first comprehensive diabetes center is strategically located Islamabad, Murree Expressway near Tool Plaza. It is 15 minutes drive from Islamabad and 30 minutes drive from Rawalpindi. A state-of-the-art multidisciplinary diabetes facility designed to provide comprehensive diabetes care under one roof. That includes assessment rooms, consultant rooms, eye care, radiology center, laboratory, foot care, cardiac assessment, pharmacy, diabetes day center, kidney care, pregnancy care, male health, education rooms, seminar room, round-the-clock emergency and prayer rooms. While the main center and headquarter building is under construction since 2014, the Diabetes Center has started a site clinic which is providing services to diabetics. Today, the clinic is seeing approximately 500 to 700 patients per week with various complications. Over 19,000 patients are being seen as of today, and 8,000 regular registered patients, having a staff of over 29 people with a monthly cost of 6 million rupees. The Diabetes Center's primary goal remains singular: to provide the best possible diabetes care to Pakistani citizens, regardless of their ability to pay. In this mission, the Diabetes Center continues to serve 70% of its patients free of cost, including consultation, diagnostics and medicines. At the Diabetes Center Pakistan, we have analyzed the state of diabetes healthcare management in the country, its prevalence, and have ascertained following three key issues which make the disease a national threat: lack of specialized diabetes healthcare facilities, lack of education and awareness to avoid and or manage diabetes. A large number of population is low to lower middle income. The Diabetes Center Pakistan is a not-for-profit organization created to take the bold initiative of fighting diabetes in Pakistan with international standard of quality care, but on a welfare basis. Our vision is to be a center of excellence offering comprehensive and compassionate care to diabetic patients in Pakistan. Your donation in terms of time and or money will help us continue our process to curb diabetes. With your help, we can continue to provide invaluable services such as our support for children and families, information regarding a healthy lifestyle, and emotional support for people living with diabetes. Construction for our main facility is nearing completion, and you can now partner with us by sponsoring a unit, an ambulance or a medical equipment, and many more ways. You can deposit your donations and your zakat in the listed Dubai Islamic Bank Pakistan Limited accounts. The Diabetes Center: if we all do a little, we can do a lot.